In this video, we're going to explore the hidden secrets of why certain men instantly appear high value and they're around women. Bro, have you ever wondered, why do some guys stand out so easily? Why do some men get noticed without even trying? The answer is simple. They're playing a different game. With a completely different set of rules, most men still use outdated strategies like bombarding women with texts, giving nonstop compliments, always being available, but high-value men? They follow a code, a silent set of principles that make them far more attractive than the average guy. Now get ready. Bro, we are about to reveal exactly how these men operate. 1. They don't show. It's desperation. High-value men never show neediness or thirst energy. Instead, they stay calm, composed, in control, like a skilled captain steering a ship. This kind of confidence is what makes women stare and wonder, what makes this guy different? And today, you're going to learn the core behaviors that create that kind of presence too. High-value men move differently than most guys. Men look desirable. Lucky they act differently. There's something in the way they carry themselves. In the rhythms of their behavior, they follow certain principles that make them stand out and look more valuable, and understanding this will completely change how you see relationships and how you see yourself. The 3 strategies men use to get a woman's attention. Only one works. Strategy 1, be friends first. Most men choose this route. They become the nice, supportive friend and hope the relationship magically evolves. But this usually ends. In the friend zone, it takes tons of time and energy, and still offers no guarantee. Strategy 2, try to impress her. These are the guys who give gifts, give unlimited attention, spend their time excessively, try too hard to please. This feels easy, but rarely works. Women don't respect what's easily offered. Strategy 3, the high-value method. This is a unique approach. Imagine this. Some guys are so desperate for a woman's attention that they'll give everything they have just to get noticed. But high-value men, they're like superheroes in the game. They don't follow the easy path. They don't act like everyone. Else they compete in a different league entirely, and that alone makes them stand out instantly. 4. The 100 men. 10 women room analogy. Picture this. Bro, you and 99. Other Minari in a room with 10 women. Every man uses the exact same tactics. Over-texting, flattering, acting too eager, trying too hard. How can you stand out? How can you stand out if you're doing what everyone else is doing? You can't. Most men behave like sheep, following the same path blindly. It's like a highway full of Honda and Toyota cars. Reliable, common everywhere. They all compete by lowering price and offering the same features. But high-value men, they're like Mercedes or Ferrari. They exist in a category where there's no competition. That's why when a woman meets a man who behaves differently, her mind instantly reacts. Who is this guy? Why is he different? That curiosity creates attraction. 5. High-value men are not easily impressed. Here's a golden rule. If you're impressed too easily, you lose value instantly. Most men are hypnotized by beauty alone. A pretty face, a tight dress, a sweet smile, and they fall apart. Once a woman sees how easily impressed you are, your worth drops in her eyes. Imagine walking into a dealership and seeing your dream car. If you show too much excitement, the salesman raises the price because he knows you need that car. Same thing with women. If you show too much fascination, you lose your leverage. Hey, value, men don't fall for this trap. They appreciate women. Sure, but they're not dazzled by looks alone because they have standards. Ironically, by not being easily impressed, they appear more valuable, more in control, more mysterious, and much harder to get, which makes them more attractive. 6. High value. Men never show thirst or desperation. Look at the comments under any girl's selfie on social media. It's full of, "You're so gorgeous. Please notice me. You're perfect. Marry me." That's desperation on display. And women know it. From the very beginning, this puts her above you in negotiation. The first rule is, be willing to walk away if you show how badly you want something. You instantly lose when you show heavy interest too. Early before she earns it to lose the game before it even starts, humans naturally desire what's harder too. Get high-value men use this principle for at least. 7. The hidden code high-value men follow. What truly makes them stand out is not one big action, but a collection of small, consistent behaviors. They don't chase. They don't beg. They don't flood her with messages. They don't give free validation. They don't panic. They don't overshare. They don't pedestalize women. They act from a place of self-worth, not desperation, which is why women are shocked when they meet a man who does not crave attention. Most women expect men to chase them, to send long texts, to give nonstop compliments, but high-value men refuse to play that. It's a common game. And that's exactly why they stand out so easily. Conclusion. A high-value man isn't defined by money, looks, social status, luck. He's defined by his mindset, his presence, his behavior, his standards, his selectiveness, his calm confidence. He doesn't compete with the crowd. He rises above it. He doesn't chase. He attracts. He doesn't try to fit in. He stands out. All right, bro. That's the video for today. Hope you found value in it. Stay sharp, stay confident, and stay high value.